up, guys? We are in Brooklyn. Hello. Hello. Yeah, we landed in Brooklyn. First time. First time, right?
First time.
Went over to my sister's house. Brian's here, my brother-in-law. So let's see how it goes. All right, we made it, guys. We are in Brooklyn. Let's go. First initial thoughts. Super green, and it looks like we're a part of that U show. And I'm Joe right now. We are going inside my sister's and my brother's place.
Check out our room, guys. Way better than I've experienced in prior New York trips. How big this bed is. Even got a Peloton in here and a nice bathroom. We're gonna go out and explore a little bit. Check with you guys later. Alright guys, if you want an idea of like what Brooklyn looks like, what part are we in?
Brooklyn.
Well, we're in Brooklyn, but this is a cute little neighborhood. Very vintage vibes and green trees, very green. I think we came at the best time, spring. If you guys looking to travel out to Brooklyn, beautiful during the springtime. All you see is green. You smell fresh air. I almost feel like I can smell the coast from here, but we're gonna go get some grub. I'll check in with you guys later. Peace.
The administration.
Alright, let's try this out.
That's pretty crazy.
Try it out, babe. I don't want.
It's like my favorite escape.
What?
You talk about fishing for like. It's very calming. Paddling around that kayak.
How is it?
Yum.
These pictures seem to be good.
Look at that risotto. Okay.
Alright, let's get it.
Sophia, why don't you try it with a fork? The spoon is.
It's okay.
Here,
Probably like a 6
bite?
out of 10.
Anyone want?
Yeah.
Good.
This is game changing.
In a little bit, we'll go home, but I was thinking maybe on our way home we could walk through the park. Okay. But before we do that, we need to eat.
What up, guys? We are at. Wait, where are we at right now? We're at the MetroTech going to Celestine. What are we gonna do?
Just a restaurant for brunch.
And then what are our plans after that?
We're gonna go to the Brooklyn flea market, just walk around, see around, and we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat. We're gonna eat.
Biggest tip for you if you're gonna travel, probably buy 2 cards. The lady that helped us out and buy our tickets, she said 1 ticket for $33 for the whole week, 7 days. Unlimited rides. I wasn't able to slide in after she slid in, so buy 2 tickets, I guess. Anyways, see you later. Alright guys, so it's about an hour and a half wait for Celestine restaurant. I could be pronouncing it wrong. I always pronounce many things wrong, but we're gonna go over to the flea market. Can you tell us a little bit about the flea market?
It's Brooklyn's famous flea market, and it opens every Sunday.
Okay,
10
there you
a.m.
have
to
it.
5 p.m.
Every Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We're gonna go check it out since we have a little bit of downtime, and then yeah, see if we can find anything. What do you think about the price?
Just the fries.
It's just nice to jog. So I have
That's nice.
so yeah, it's nice. They're putting.
So guys, tried this toast. I don't know. Something I can cook at home. So I'd say it's like a 6.5 out of 10. The mushroom shirataki, that was delicious. We get an 8 out of 10 for that one. 8 out of 10. Had more flavor. It was warm. The toast, the eggs, the white fish. It tastes like something out of Trader Joe's, which is like, it's cool for at home, but probably wouldn't order it again.
Alright guys, we're at the Brooklyn Bridge right now, and we're just walking across it. The food was alright. I'd give it a 6 out of 10. You're really just paying for the price of the venue more than anything, but we're gonna walk this busy Brooklyn Bridge and see how it is. Alright guys, first thing that we ordered was a matcha-rita. Comes with matcha, green apple, mint, cucumber, and soju. Let's see how it tastes. Babe, give it a shot. Let's go.
I think it's refreshing. I think it's very refreshing. It's not bad at all.
They tried to make something new, but they failed.
But I think it's quite refreshing. Nah, she said it's much better, but I don't think so.
Alright guys, so this is tamaki set. You have to order 5. This is one of their signature sets, and then I did a custom order where I ordered ikura, toro, what is it? Scallop and tobiko, uni, toro, ikura, and then salmon. Look at this. Alright guys, somehow we magically came across baecation. I don't know if I pronounced it right again, I probably butchered it. But we ordered a tomato and bread dish along with looking like a potato dish right here. These are patas, or tapas. These are tapas. Tapas. These are tapas right here. We got a tomato dressing right there with some bread. Not focaccia, but some bread. And then we got a potato tapas right here. I'll get you guys the names later. But let's enjoy these foods. Delicious tapas. Take the first bite.
ASMR.
How is it?
It's like a pizza. But I really love the basil. And I think it's the honey home. It's like a pizza taste, but it's really fresh. And I love the basil.
This dish, guys, I don't even know what these dishes are called. That's a restaurant right there. Let me turn down the exposure a little bit. There you go. Baecation. Doesn't that look delicious? It looks like it's sauteed with like a ranch or mayonnaise topping. It looks delicious, guys. And look, she has to take photos all the time. But yeah, let's go in for a bite. Let's go in a bite for that one.
It looks like a cheesecake. I think it's gonna make sound, but it's really good. It's really creamy potato. It's really, really soft. This is a potato too. It would be really good with the apple because it's tapas. Yeah, it's good. Okay, baby, that's enough.
Okay, that's a wrap for today's eating. Bye. We made it to Le Crocodile, and check that view out.